Receive a great workout and keep yourself healthy with the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike. The solid frame design is strong and sturdy. 40-pound chrome flywheel provides increased stability. The unique handlebar design allows riders to utilize versatile positions with the various grips. The chain drive will give you a smooth, high-quality ride resembling that of an outdoor bike. The heavy-duty crank system makes every pedal stroke seamless and efficient. Pedals are equipped with toe cages to keep foot in position while pedaling. Turn up the resistance with the micro-tension knob. Handbrake will slow or stop the flywheel quickly. Custom fit with the adjustable seat. Get the perfect grip with the adjustable handlebar. High-quality, smooth transportation wheels make it easy to move the bike in and out of the way. Bring out the athlete in you with the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
The all-new S15i is the complete fitness solution for your home. Not only do you get a world-class bike, but also world-class trainers with a 1-year iFit membership included with your purchase. I'm here to show you why the commercial S15i Studio Cycle is one of the very best bikes on the market. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted to give you new experiences each day while helping you achieve results you will feel and see. From world-class trainers like Tommy Rivers-Pusey, Nicole Moline, Gideon Akonde, and so many more, including me, Jenny Del Pozo. I have several heart-pumping class workouts for you, and I can't wait for you to check them out. Personal training in your home where your trainer controls your machine to match the resistance, incline, decline, and duration of each and every trainer's prescribed workout. This experience is the undeniable difference that is available on the commercial S15i bike. Here is a taste of some of the incredible workouts you will experience.
Come on, come on. Push a little bit harder.
30 seconds, we're gonna drop into the saddle.
Keep it up, stay with me. Let's hit some key features. The 14-inch Smart HD touchscreen brings every workout to life. We only have today to make real change in our lives and get the results you deserve with interactive personal training in your home, on your time. It's incredible, you're going to love it.
Introducing the ProGear 100S Exercise Bike Indoor Training Cycle with Heart Pulse. A compact training cycle with Heart Pulse that will give you a cardiovascular fitness workout just like you would on a real road bike. The ProGear 100S seat features cushioned ergonomic comfort with 4-way seat adjustments. The seat will adjust forward, backward, and up, down, with multiple adjustment levels to fit users from 5 foot 1 inches to 6 feet 2 inches comfortably. Made with a durable steel frame, the ProGear 100S holds up to 250 pounds of user weight. It also comes with an LCD computer with readouts of calories burned, distance, time, speed, pulse, and scan. With larger designed foot pedals and the indoor cycling toe cages, your feet are secured without slippage while exercising. A U-shaped rear stabilizer makes this bike sturdy with minimal movement when exercising or dismounting. Built with a 22-pound cast iron inertia-driven flywheel with a chrome rim, the pedaling is smooth and easy to maintain a consistent pedaling motion. The precision-balanced flywheel makes the bike very quiet, so you can watch TV or listen to your favorite music without interruption. The ProGear 100S is a chain-driven system which gives you a real road bike experience, whether pedaling standing up as you would going uphill or dual directional pedaling. Challenge yourself even more by easily turning the dial tension adjustment knob to increase resistance. Heart pulse sensors will enable you to stay within your personal heart rate zone. And for any necessary emergency stops, you can easily apply the top-down emergency brake. The ProGear 100S also comes with transportation wheels to make moving it around very easy. So, let's get started. Stay fit and spend less with the ProGear 100S exercise bike indoor training cycle with heart pulse.
Now, you can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn into your home with the IC2 indoor cycling bike. The Schwinn IC2 lets you take what you love about outdoor cycling inside, so you can get a low-impact, high-intensity lower body workout on your own time and in your own space. Designed with a 31-pound flywheel and high-inertia drive system for maximum adjustability and infinite levels of resistance on a frame built with oversized corrosion-resistant steel tubing. Plus, durable felt pads that keep resistance smooth and even throughout your workout. The IC2 goes the extra mile to keep you comfortable with BioFit multi-position handlebars, easy-to-adjust foot pedals, and a convenient place for your water bottle. To keep tabs on your progress, the Schwinn IC2 features an easy-to-use LCD console that tracks your speed, RPMs, distance, time, and calories burned. Maximum adjustability, outstanding comfort, and Schwinn durability. Now they can all be yours for a surprisingly affordable price with the Schwinn IC2 indoor cycling bike. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn for the good life.
Welcome to Impex. This is the Marcy Revolution Cycle, a high-end cardio machine to help you burn fat and calories. Let's take a look. This bike is built to perform. So before we get started, let's take a look at some of the amazing features that come included. The adjustable 2-axle seat easily adjusts vertically and horizontally. We'll adjust the seat height first, and then slide the seat horizontally so that our knee is aligned with the center of our foot. Now that we're comfortable on our seat, we can adjust our Aero-style handlebars. Headed for comfort and equipped with forearm supports, we can easily adjust the height by loosening and pulling the knob. Next, we'll adjust the straps on our basket cage pedals. These are designed to provide resistance on both the down and upward stroke. When you pedal, you'll be spinning a 40-pound flywheel that uses belt-driven tension for a smooth, quiet motion. To increase and decrease the tension, use the knob above the wheel, which also doubles as a brake. The bike also has a built-in cup holder so that you can stay hydrated throughout your workout. Finally, when you're done with your workout, use the transport wheels to help you move and store your bike.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.